The 2009 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, quad seating, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, front, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.